Service provided are standardized, that is, similar type of services are provided to all customers. Your operating costing is an extension and refined form of process costing. Capital is invested more in fixed asset. Hello everyone, this is your Adar sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the first session of your topic called operating costing. Under operating costing, we are discussing a small kind of problem which will come for 5 marks in your examination. Under cost accounting, this unit we call it as 6th unit of your topic. Now, so in this operating costing, what is operating? Operating in the sense, normally what happens? Normally we go for your school van. Now, your school van, what happens? We have 40 members are there in the school van. Now, we have to charge them some fees. How do you charge them some fees? You pay me 1,000 rupees, you pay me 2,000. Your is so far, your house is so far, you're supposed to pay 3,000 rupees per month for traveling. How you calculate it is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, everything with the help of operating costing. Means you have to include the value depreciation on the bus, the salary paid to the driver, and whatever the salary paid to the cleaner, and any repair charges happen, your fuel expenses, any other engine oil and everything. Including of all this, we have to consider what is exactly the operating costing. Hope you are clear. This is all about your operating costing, the basic thing. We will understand better in today's session. Agenda. Agenda is very simple. We have concept as well as meaning. Now, first we'll go for meaning. Your operating costing is an extension and refined form of process costing. Now, you have done your process costing. Process costing means what? First, second, third, fourth. Like that, the process wise will go. We call it as process costing. Now, in this, it is also more or less very similar to single or output costing. The operating costing gives more emphasis on providing services rather than the cost of manufacturing an article. The services provided may be for sale to the general public or they may provided within an organization. It may be for the outsider, it may be for inside organization. We need to find out what will be your cost. See, I told you the example of your school van. I am the owner, just assume that I am the owner. I am spending 2,000 for that person to pick and drop, and I am collecting 1,800 from that student. For me, what happened? 200 rupees loss. Now, so I am collecting 1,800 and I am spending 2,000 means there is a loss of 200. If you do proper operating costing, then there won't be any problem of that 200 loss. You will be well with the exact value. Characteristics of service costing. Now, so your operating are also called as service. So what is the characteristics of your service or operating costing? Now, service provided are standardized, that is, similar type of services are provided to all customers. Now, the same kind of services which is provided, like we have 40 students in a bus, the service is provided to all 40 students. Then, services are produced on uninterrupted or regular basis. So whatever you calculate your service cost or operating cost, it is uninterrupted. It will not stop. Like you're paying less, I'll not give you service. You're paying more, I'll give you more service. Not like that. Now, Capital is invested more in fixed asset. Example, buying of buses for transport company. It is one of the example. So where is a fixed asset? A huge investment is there. If you want to run your buses, the purchase of bus is a huge investment. Then in comparison to investment in working capital, example, day-to-day expenses in running buses. Now, some part of the operating cost of these undertakings is fixed cost and the other part is a variable cost. Hope you're clear. Yes. So these are all your information. So for 5 marks, you can write the characteristics of your service costing. One is what? Remember, it is similar type of service to be provided to all customers. First one. Services are produced on a uninterrupted or regular basis. Second one. Capital is invested more in fixed asset. Third one. And investment in working capital, example, day-to-day expenses in running buses. Clear? Yes. Some part of operating cost of these undertaking is fixed cost and the other part is a variable cost. Hope you are clear? Yes. Now we'll go with the small problem so that you will understand what is operating costing. From the next session, I'll go with your examination problems. Now, as per this, number of buses we have 4. How many buses we have? 4. Days operated in a month is 30. So what are the days operated in a month? There are 30 days they are working. Then trips made, there are 2 trips each day. Distance of route 100 km one side, it will be 2-sided. Capacity of each bus 40 passenger. Average passenger traveling capacity is 75. How do we calculate? Very simple. Number of buses multiply days operated in a month. Days operated multiply trips made each bus 2 going and coming back. Trips made into distance of route 100 km. No need to multiply into 2. Why? Because it is already made, trips made 2 times. Capacity of each bus passenger. How many members are there? 40. I'll come later for the, yes. Capacity. So I'll don't go with the answer. 100 means what? Distance of route. So this must be distance then capacity into percentage of occupancy. Now, so these are the information we have as per the question. Now, this is your 5-mark question. Then, number of buses 4. Days operated 30. Trips made 2. Distance they have given 100. So capacity it is 40 passengers. So into what is the average traveling capacity? 75%. So these are the calculations. Now calculate this. 4 multiplied with 30 multiplied with 2 into 100 into 40. I got around 9,60,000 kilometers. Now 9,60,000 into 75%. I got around 7,20,000 20,000 kilometers per passenger kilometer. What is your answer? 7,20,000 passenger kilometer. Hope you are clear. Now, again I will show you this. 4 into 30 into 2 into 100 into 40. I got 9,60,000 multiplied with 75%. I got 7,20,000 passenger kilometer. Hope you are clear. Yes. So this will be your complete 5-mark question. Easy or very easy? Very easy actually. I'll show this. This will be your question and this will be your solution. This is only your operating costing. We have one more topic like same operating costing. We have to go with your fuel, driver salary, your cleaner salary, whatever the repair charges and depreciation, whatever we do. Is there any scrap value? Everything we are supposed to calculate. In the next session, we'll go with more number of problems. It doesn't take long or much sessions. Small topic. In 2 or 3 sessions, we can complete this particular topic. Now, so I'll go for your slides. You can take screenshot. So your meaning of operating costing and your characteristics and your problem, and this is your solution part. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. Please work out at home. Simple problem. Next session we'll go with your examination problem. Thank you.